Slide 1 start in the most inhospitable corners of our planet, where death seems more probable than life. Something extraordinary happens. Welcome to a journey into Earth's most extreme environments, where life doesn't just survive, it thrives in ways that challenge our very understanding of biological possibility. Picture this: temperatures that would melt lead, pressures that would crush a submarine, and acidity levels that would dissolve metal. These aren't conditions on some alien world, they're right here on Earth, and they're teeming with life. Let's dive into the abyss first. Miles beneath the ocean's surface, around hydrothermal vents, communities of organisms flourish in complete darkness. Here, at temperatures reaching 400 degrees C, tube worms growing up to 2.4 meters long dance in the toxic clouds of superheated water. These deep-sea dwellers have evolved remarkable adaptations. Their hemoglobin can function under extreme pressure, their cell membranes remain stable in scorching temperatures, and they've developed symbiotic relationships with chemosynthetic bacteria that transform toxic chemicals into life-sustaining energy. But the deep isn't the only frontier where life pushes boundaries. In the scorching heart of the Sahara, where daytime temperatures soar above 50 degrees C and drop below freezing at night, the Saharan silver ant emerges for precisely 10 minutes a day. These remarkable creatures have evolved silvery hairs that reflect 99% of sunlight and can transfer heat from their bodies to the air, allowing them to forage in temperatures that would kill most organisms instantly. In the polar regions, life has developed equally fascinating strategies. Arctic cod produce antifreeze proteins that prevent ice crystals from forming in their blood, while wood frogs can survive being frozen solid for months, their hearts completely stopped. But perhaps the most mind-bending adaptations are found in microscopic extremophiles. In the Rio Tinto in Spain, where the water is as acidic as battery acid, tiny organisms not only survive but create entire ecosystems. These acid-loving microbes have evolved specialized membrane pumps that maintain their internal pH, effectively creating a neutral oasis within their cells while swimming through acid that would dissolve metal. High in the Andes, we find birds and mammals that have evolved enlarged hearts and specialized hemoglobin to survive in the oxygen-thin air. The bar-headed goose can fly over Mount Everest, their bodies adapted to function with just a third of the oxygen we need at sea level. But why should we care about these extraordinary adaptations? The answer lies in the future of our species and our search for life beyond Earth. These organisms show us that life is more resilient and adaptable than we ever imagined. Their survival mechanisms are inspiring new technologies, from extreme temperature lubricants based on deep-sea organisms to drought-resistant crops inspired by desert plants. Moreover, understanding how life adapts to extreme conditions on Earth helps us recognize where to look for life on other worlds. The methane-consuming bacteria in our deepest oceans might have cousins on Saturn's moon Titan, while heat-loving microbes could hint at what to seek on Venus. As we conclude our journey through Earth's most extreme environments, remember, what we consider extreme is merely another organism's perfect home. Life's ability to adapt and thrive continues to challenge our assumptions and expand our understanding of what's possible. Thank you for exploring these extraordinary environments with us. Until next time, keep questioning, keep wondering, and remember, in the most unlikely places, life finds a way.